Hey everybody, it's Ben Songrath from EdTech Teacher, and today I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about Google's Applied Digital Skills curriculum. So this is a free resource from Google that centers around students using G Suite for Education to practice real life and job building skills in an element that they're doing it creatively through projects. So it's a project-based curriculum that's designed for middle school students, high school students, and even adult learners looking to bring in more digital skills into their classrooms or their real life. I know one of the things I talk to teachers about all the time when I do workshops, specifically around Google, is that you need to start playing with a lot of these tools in your real life. And when you do that, you become more comfortable with those tools when you bring them into the educational world. Well, Google's seeing that their tools obviously have a major play when you're talking about real life situations. And so what they're doing is they're helping students understand how we can build off these skills that we can learn in school, but then transfer them over into a real life situation. Great examples, but there's a ton of different lessons that this curriculum composes of. And one of them is how to plan a budget. So you're teaching students skills like budgeting, but it's also bringing in Google Sheets and it's bringing in Google Calendar and all these other different Google tools that are there to help make that budgeting process better. Another great one is plan an event. So who amongst us hasn't planned an event before, whether it be something as simple as a barbecue, but then it could also be something as big as a major educational conference. Well, to do that, you need to plan and coordinate and learn how to use skills that transfer over from the classroom into real life. Stuff like, in this example, when we need to coordinate meetings before the event with using Google Calendar or Gmail, effectively communicating event plans with co-planners through Gmail, and then using things like Google Sheets to document your budget for the event, marketing materials using Google Drawings, or then ultimately creating a Google site to market your big event. So those types of activities are all embedded into the Google Applied Digital Skills curriculum. And I think it's really cool that Google has developed this area that teachers can go for free, sign their students up for free, and then what they're going to do is they're going to be able to link that to Google Classroom, and then they can share these activities out through their Google Classroom. If you're not a Google Classroom user, no worries. Students can just log in and they can go through the activities and you can check their progress on where they're at in that specific activity. So, needless to say, I'm really excited about the Applied Digital Skills, and I think you should be too. You can sign up now. There's a bit.ly/ETT Applied Digital Skills. If you use that, go right up to the top right-hand corner and click Sign Up, and then that gets you in. Then have your students use the same link and sign up through that. If you need any help and you're in the Northern Illinois area or the Boston area in New England and you want EdTech Teacher to come to your school and run a workshop for you, we're willing to do that for free. Just reach out to admin@edtechteacher.org and see if you have a date available that we can come in. Workshops are around 3 hours long and free of charge. So we would love to come to your school, and we would love for you to get on board with the Google Applied Digital Skills curriculum. Thanks for watching, and reach out ben@edtechteacher.org if you have any questions at all. Thanks, everybody.